There are varying degrees of pelvic girdle pain, particularly in pregnancy, and I always recommend that you see your healthcare professional for your individual situation. In saying that, here are some exercises that may be able to assist you. So, let's get started. For this routine, you don't need anything but your couch. All right, let's get into it. The first exercise is squats. Now we're going to do 10 repetitions here. I need you to listen to your body. If you need to do less, then do less. If you feel like you want to do more, that's fine. In weeks to come, you can. But right now, start with 10 with me. Pelvic presses. So release down so that your upper back is rested on the couch. With your shoulder blades onto the couch, support your head with your hands. Now, this is the important part. You need to tuck your tailbone under. This will help to activate through the glutes rather than you using your back to do the movement. So as you tuck that tailbone under, you lift your hips and then lower back down. So keep going for 10 repetitions, knowing that you want to keep that tail tucked under and focus on a squeeze through your buttock muscles. Final one, and hold, and then release. Clams. Now make yourself comfortable on your couch. And then you just open that top knee up and then release. Now the idea is to activate through the glute muscles. So try not to let your hips roll backwards. It might be that you need to adjust the angle of your knees or your hips to get that glute activation. Let's swap to the other side. It might even help you if you press that top foot slightly in towards the back of the couch. Don't press too hard. You don't want to cause any discomfort at the hips. It's more about helping to activate the glutes. Next up, glute dance. So step your right foot slightly forward, left foot back, and then squeeze into that left glute. You don't have to have the feet in a split stance like this. I just find this actually helps to activate through that left glute. Let's go to the other side. We're going for 10 squeezes in total. What you can do is place your hand onto that glute to help with that feedback. And this is actually harder than it seems. So don't worry if you don't feel like you're getting it at the start. It all takes practice. Glute stretch. So sit back down onto the couch, pull one leg up, and then very slowly you can begin to hinge forward from the hips to get that stretch. So important in pregnancy to have that glute stretch and strengthening to help support the pelvis and help support you through your pregnancy. There's so much extra pressure on your hips and on your glutes as your belly grows. Take one more big breath here. Let it go. Swap to the other side. Again, breathe here. If you need to sit up onto a cushion, do so. If you have a low couch, it might be that you're better off sitting on a chair to do this instead. And then very slowly release. So that's one set. Well done. Now you can repeat it a second or third set if you'd like. And of course, if you have any questions, speak with your healthcare professional about your individual situation. For more on pelvic girdle pain and pregnancy and postpartum exercise, visit us at pregactive.com and join our PregActive community today.